23 marbles, 4 kids. Deal them out, 1 each, round after round. 5 full rounds, 5 each, and 3 left over, not enough for another round. There it is, a single equality that captures the whole deal. But could some division have no such answer, or a different one? Today's card is not a recipe. It is a theorem, 2 promises. The card. For any whole number dividend and any non-zero whole number divisor, there exists a whole number quotient and remainder. Dividend equals divisor times quotient plus remainder. Fine print. The remainder stays smaller than the divisor. Our example: 23 is 4 times 5 plus 3, and 3 is less than 4. Exist. Always an answer. Unique. Only one. This equality has a name, the Euclidean division equality. Promise 1. Always an answer. The multiples of 4 form a staircase. 0, 4, 8, 20, 24. 23 is caught between 20 and 24. The highest step, at or below, gives quotient 5, leftover 3. Steps are just 4 apart, so the leftover can never reach 4. The fine print, born. Land on a step, remainder 0. And divisor 0? The leftover would need to be smaller than 0. Impossible. Hence, divisor not 0. Promise 2. Only one answer. A rebel answer. 23 equals 4 times 4 plus 7. 16 plus 7, true, but 7 leftovers still hide another 4. One more round, 1 marble to each kid, quotient 5, remainder 3. The fine print is the stop rule, hand out until you can't. Stop too early and the leftover is still 4 or more. Go 1 round too far and the remainder would turn negative. Only stopping when the remainder drops below the divisor lands exactly once. That's what makes the answer unique. The theorem's second promise. Your turn. 63 divided by 4. One flash of the machine, quotient 15, remainder 3. Written arithmetic's way, 63 equals 4 times 15 plus 3, and 3 is less than 4. Done. Let's remember, dividend equals divisor times quotient plus remainder. The remainder stays smaller than the divisor, the stop rule. For a whole number dividend and non-zero divisor, an answer always exists, and it is unique.